Hi there, this is Alex Dude, and I'm trying to do a short video about using Pkill versus using regular the kill command in Linux. This is, I think, Linux Mint. No, it's X Ubuntu. Sorry about that. And right now, I'm going to start up Eclipse from terminal. So Eclipse is started. I'd like to, for instance, let's say somehow I'd like to kill it. It's for some reason it's running in the background still. Now, I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I'm trying to use Pkill, and then I'm going to use -9. You could use -15, or let's just use Pkill as default. And I wanted to get rid of Eclipse, so Pkill Eclipse, and it doesn't kill it. So maybe I need to do a force kill using -9 Eclipse, but still it doesn't get rid of the process. So maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I have to specify the user, Pkill -9 user, which is Alex Dude Eclipse. Sorry about that. So that still doesn't kill it because Eclipse is over here on the left side. It's still running. Maybe I can use like a regular expression. So I'm going to do Pkill caret in the beginning. So anything that precedes Eclipse, and then $, anything after. So let me try that. And still it doesn't close. And so I guess that's the reason why some people watch my other video where I did a ps-ef grep Eclipse. It shows me all the current processes. There's this grep over here that I just ran, and then there's the actual Eclipse process, but it's a bunch of things. It's saying all these plugins and stuff. So if I go here, at the top there's Alex Dude, and there's process ID 3433 that if I kill, it should kill Eclipse. So again, all I did was I just did a ps-ef and did a grep, what do you call it, for Eclipse. If I had more processes running, I could have piped and did more to do one page at a time. But besides that, just wanted to say now I can go and kill the process. I can go kill 3433. That's the process that I want, and hopefully it kills it, and you can see it's gone. Again, I don't know Pkill too well. A program kill, like you're supposed to be able to kill things if you know the name of the process. And obviously you can see over here, there's a bunch of stuff going on over there. I wonder if I could use. I'm surprised it didn't catch it with the regular expression, but I don't know. I'm not an expert on this, and so if someone knows a way for me to close Eclipse using Pkill, let me know. I failed to do it, and I thought at the very least Pkill with this command using the special characters might work for regular expression, but it didn't work for me. So I'm just confused. Let me try this again. I'm going to load up Eclipse. And let's try with the capital E. So again, for other things that it's more straightforward where the name of the process is just simple, I think we can use Pkill, but this one, Eclipse loads all this stuff under the process, so it's harder to use Pkill because the name isn't so obvious. So that's it. That's my short video. I failed to use Pkill, and hopefully going through it, you saw the different options I was trying to use to use Pkill. It's probably better if I used a working example, but I just wanted to show you. I think that's the reason why I didn't use Pkill in my other video about killing Eclipse And so that's it. Over and out. Bye-bye.